Like, it's really giving what it needs to give. Hey curl friends, it's the Sincerely Asia, and I'm back at it again with another video. And as you can see by the title, I have partnered with Adore Me to bring you guys a super cute haul of all of the best loungewear, like some of the best loungewear I've ever encountered. And I have some undergarments that I'm sure you'll love. So I received this package from Adore Me. I picked out a little over $500 worth of items just to make sure that I tried every category that they offered. A lot of people probably associate Adore Me with lingerie and underwear, panties and bras, but they actually do have a lot of very cute apparel, a lot of very comfortable loungewear. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm sure that this top that I have on is the only apparel that I got that's like wear out of the house apparel. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the top. What I can show you guys on my body, what I'm comfortable showing you guys on my body, I will show in clips. If not, I will definitely put a picture up on the screen so you guys can see the model from the website that wore it, and we're just gonna hop right in. This is the Darling top. I got it in a size small. I'm pretty sure this is the only color that it came in, and like I'm absolutely obsessed. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So this is the top. You can scrunch it up as much as you want. I scrunched it up like a lot. Probably the most it can be scrunched. And it has a cute cutout in the back. Material is like nice and thick. It's a good material. I think this is a perfect top transitioning into winter because it's like it's still my vibes, but it's also like, you know, I'm covered up. This is the Tiana Unlined. I saw this and I absolutely fell in love with it. I thought that it was like balconette type style bras are my favorite type of bras to wear. I just feel like they're very flattering for my particular body type, and for most body types that I've seen, I just feel like the balconette, the shape of it, it's just very feminine, very delicate. And so when I saw this, I just knew that I wanted it in every single color. So I settled for two. I got the chocolate brown color and like a lavender color. They'll be linked down below what their exact names are. I'm just going to describe them how I would describe them. I love brown undergarments because obviously I'm a brown girl, so anything that I can switch out as my like actual nude color that would go on me, I love to pick those. So once I saw brown, that was a no-brainer, and then I just got it in another color because I knew that I would love it. This is her. This is Tiana. I'm obsessed with her. The fit was absolutely perfect. I am a 32D and it was true to size. It was perfect on me, and the scallops on it, the beautiful detailing, the mesh, it was a perfect combination. It's not too much, just enough. The brown that you see under this is the other one that I have on now. That's how much I love it. And it came with matching underwear. They're all in a set. Here we go. And it has the matching scallop on the top and very sexy back, see-through mesh. These were also true to size too. Like I said, I got this in lavender and I also got it in the chocolate brown color. I'm going to insert some pictures of those from the website. While I have tried on both of those, I have not tried on this. I'm probably going to try this on for you guys. This is the Beanie Unlined, B-E-E-N-I-E. It came with like several options of different underwear type to pick. That's also another thing that I would like to add. It always gave me the option of choosing between like thong and cheeky for most options of underwear that I picked. So I picked the boy short because it's a cotton two-piece and I want it to be comfy. This actually surprised me. It's not what I expected it to be. It is a white two-piece. It's just like a cotton comfortable, like hanging around the house type set. It has a razor back in the back. I don't know if I just didn't read enough into the details, but I wasn't expecting this. Like I thought, I don't know, I thought that it was like it was cotton all around. This is fine. This is very cute. It has this cute little lace detailing in the back here. And then it came with a cute bottom that also had lace detailing on the side right here. Very surprised by that. If I for sure didn't know that it was going to be on the top, I definitely was like, when I saw it on the bottom, honey. Next, there is the Lisette Contour set. This is so cute. I really do love this so much. I think that it's a nice plaid. Like it's such a nice, I could even wear it with something like this, which is particularly how I thought of it, or also just wear it as a top and then a really high-waisted bottom, which is another way that I plan to wear it. I really like the lace. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's so freaking pretty. I'm really excited to put a look together for this. You'll definitely see this one on my Instagram. Towards the holiday season, we're transitioning into a new shade from fall, so if you would like to see that, make sure you're locked in on The Sincerely Asia on Instagram. And then we have this set that I'm super excited about. Lindy set. I've already tried this on because I already plan to wear this. This is a see-through tie top. It has a cute polka dot detailing on it. And I'm gonna wear this like on top of something. And it came with the cutest, like, it's so, I know I'm using the word feminine a lot, but the most feminine sleep shorts. Oh, this is a cute little girly piece, but it's also completely sheer. I don't know, like what are you trying to say? I know exactly what you're trying to say, but is that what you're trying to say? That's how it made me feel when I tried it on. And it has these, like, they're completely see-through. These won't be being worn out, of course, or maybe it's a bathing suit cover-up. This would be a super cute bathing suit bottom cover-up. It's just, I just put these on and I felt so soft and like I was floating through the room. I really like these. Next is this slip, a cotton sleep dress, lounge dress. Her name is Gina. She looks like this. I will try this one on for you guys. It has slits on the side and then a drawstring type deal, so you can like hike up the sides as short or as long as you want. And then the back has a very cute like tie detailing. It's a nice casual around the house type of vibes, but also I'm a sexy homemaker, but I just rolled out of bed. I'm, you know, taking the kids to school. It's so soft. I wanted to make sure that I picked something from that category so that I had a broad like area to discuss. I had an Adore Me expertise, honey. So that is that. So now we're gonna get into my two favorites. So I actually got two corsets from Adore Me. One of them I literally couldn't even button close. So I sent that one back and I'm waiting for it to be sent back to me in a bigger size because I really did love it. The material was great. I just don't have it to show you guys here now. And I wanted to let you know that that's the reason, because it is going to be linked in the description box, and I am still going to show you guys a picture right here. So this is Axle Contour set. So I really just wanted this corset because I thought that it was beautiful on everyone who I'd seen it on. I saw some TikTok videos of people showing like how they wear corsets outside of outside the house, and I knew that I wanted to create something similar to that, so that's why I got these corsets. I got this one in white. It also came in black, but I just thought the white was like gonna be a fire look for me. I really like the detailing right here, the little string up detailing. It makes it seem like I have to do more work to get into it than I actually do. It's very simple to put on. There's just these clasps in the front. It's like any regular corset, and I love the gold, like the rusted gold detailing. It's not like gold. It's like a nice weathered gold, which really makes it look expensive. That's like the best way for me to describe it. Gold starts to look a little bit more costumey, but this like faded gold that they have, it's like the perfect shade of gold for a piece like this. It makes it look so expensive, and it's giving like Antoinette. Like, let them eat cake, sweetie. Let them eat the cake. It did come with these bottoms that matched the lace slightly on the top. It's not like a perfect match. It's a perfect match for the color, but the lace on this and the lace on the top are not the same. I'm gonna wear this as like a outfit, so it really don't matter to me, sweetheart, what the underwear look like, because I'm probably not even gonna wear them together. And the winner of all of my affection are the Shane Smoothing Shapewear. I got them in an extra small. I probably could have gone small medium. The ones that I recently ordered, I ordered 3 more of these, and I think I got 1 more extra small, and the other 2 I got small medium. And this shapewear is some of the best shapewear that I have ever worn in my life. And I love shapewear as like around the house wear, or like run to the grocery store wear. Like, I would wear these with like an oversized shirt. That's why it's always so important for me for my shapewear to not look like shapewear. Like, these have all the characteristics of shapewear. Of course, they have like the lining in the crotch area, and then the switch up of material around here, the rib part that goes over your stomach. I've worn it out and I got a lot of compliments on these leggings. I wear them with an oversized shirt and some really cute sneakers, and like, it just, you're sucked in there, but you're not uncomfortable. Like I said, I could have gone a size up. They were like a smidge tight around my thighs, but they didn't leave a mark, so obviously it wasn't that tight. And they didn't ride up at all, like not even the slightest bit. There was no rolling, and I have a good amount of like thigh going on, so I definitely expected them to roll up, but they didn't. They were still very breathable. I didn't feel like my body was like needed to get out of them, you know, as a woman, if you understand what I'm saying. I did not feel like my body was not able to breathe and have circulation, so that's a plus. And I will say, all in all, this is so functional that is the reason that it was my favorite item and article of clothing from them, because baby, like, it's diversity wise, this is the part, like the fact that this color is even offered, it's not like a congratulations, because it should be offered to everyone. Every brand should offer a range of nude shapewear that falls into everyone's nude, but it's definitely a surprise and a thumbs up. I am done doing all of my rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there will for sure be more partnerships with Adore Me because, like I said, I'm very happy with my purchase. There's not a single item that I would not keep. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.